Mediterranean diet benefits in your weight lose. What is a Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is based on the traditional foods of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, including France, Spain, Greece, and Italy. It typically encourages people to consume more fruits, vegetables, seafood, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds. It may help to manage your weight loss, protect your heart and prevent diabetes and reduce the risk of premature death. Heart, healthy fats to consume less. Processed foods, added sugar, refined grains, limited alcohol consumption. Benefits of this diet: improving body composition and reducing obesity, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and death from cardiovascular diseases, helping control blood sugar and alleviating type 2 diabetes symptoms. For this reason, the Mediterranean diet is a suitable option for those who are looking to improve their weight loss, health, and protect against chronic disease. Stay safe, happy life.
This information is presented by Healthcare Tricks. Please subscribe, like and comment.